Hello adventurers and welcome to another BRM5 Solo Pistol only Stealth Challenge, and today we're gonna try and do the Quarry. So yeah, let's get going. Okay. Well, this is gonna be a first for me because even with my rifle, etc., I've never actually tried to stealth the Quarry. We'll see how it goes. Alright, we're there. 62 for explosives, a VIP target, okay. It's not gonna be easy. Already seeing people. Oh, there's guards in the tower. One there, one there. Just thinking about. Okay. So there seem to be like a lot of people just watching. As it's gonna be multiple tries until I can figure out how to roughly get them. Because I think if I try to shoot him right now. Okay. So him I can get, but I'm scared someone's gonna see. He doesn't know that he's there. I think if I get that guy, he's gonna see. Okay, nothing. Nobody was alerted. No, I'm probably gonna have to. Depends on where he's looking. Okay. Probably. I'm gonna have to take care of that part before taking care of the other one, so it's gonna be a bit difficult. So I got that one, that one. So how do I go about this? How it is. If I get that guy, it's probably gonna be alright. If not, I'll just have to get that guy. Okay, so for now, everything is alright. Not seen by anyone else, but someone heard a shot. whatever it is. Definitely not, buddy. I'm seeing people, like I didn't know we were there. Shot way too high.
I'm hit.
This is what you train for. It's 58 minutes into the recording. I have 7 people left. I do not want to mess this up.
What's so special about this island anyway?
Holy shit, how do I do that? Just...
Did anyone else in HQ come in? Somebody's down. We need backup. I need a medic.
How on God's green earth do you want me to clear that stealthily? How? Okay, how? Think. I want to stealth it, but if I two-tap that guy, rush in.
I'm so tired of standing around.
You know what?
Base, we're under attack. Multiple.
Not right.
I don't give a fuck. I cleared it. I don't give 2 shits. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna say I cleared it. I'm gonna say I cleared it. I'm sorry. I spent an hour. I'm gonna say I cleared it. Okay. Boys, adventurers, do you give me that, okay? I'd say I cleared it. I don't know if you'd say I cleared it, but I'm saying I cleared it. It's a secured. I killed that guy after it's a secured. I have to give myself the credit. I spent way too much time. Okay, you know what? If I manage to, I'd say, extract to my helicopter, I'll give myself the credit. If I don't, well, I'll post it anyways, but there's gonna be a part 2.
They're on me. I've got eyes on him.
If you don't give me the credits, I'll have to do it again. So yeah, it's gonna be rough. Ah. Well, boys, adventurers, I don't know if you'll give me credits. I'm giving myself credits because he was the last guy. He was the last guy. I think I'm in denial. He was the last guy. I still got him in the end. I escaped from that site. So yeah, technically I didn't have to kill any more guys for the objective to be complete. So that's why I'm giving it to myself, but it's not about what I think, it's about what you guys think. If I have to do it one more time, if I have to, if you give me it and I go about going to the next one, which will be the city right under that one. But yeah, be sure to leave a like if you want to follow. But be sure to tell me in the comments if you give it to me or if you don't give it to me. But yeah, anyway, I'll see you around, adventurers. The rain is very loud, but I'll see you around, adventurers.